traders, this is Rick with your Futures Trading Coach Aftermarket Update for the live trading alert call room. Today is Friday, September 27th, and I'm going to let you guys know what we did today. What a way to round out a week, guys. We had some volatility cranked up with all the news, with the Trump impeachment and all kinds of other stuff, and we love that movement. We love that movement. Just got to know when to be in, when not to be in, when not to get involved. We had a lot of trades. We have up to 8 opportunities today, up to 4 in the ES, 2 in the crude, and 2 in the NQ. All of them were winners. We never had to add to a position. Some didn't go that far, but some went really far. We had a couple really nice ones and some mediocre ones and stuff like that, medium ones. So I'm just going to run through everything here really quick, again in no particular time order from left to right. We got long in the NASDAQ and the NQ, so around 77.55. That trade went up. It made 25 to 35 ticks up. Beautiful trade. After 25, 30 ticks, you take some profits there, go to entry, or let it run. This one we knew we were fighting a trend, so it was before 10 o'clock. I told everybody, they're fighting the trend. It's probably not going to go up right away until, it could either go up or down. It was kind of 50-50 once we got our 25, 30 ticks. So that was a, medium, small, 25, 30 ticks, not a bad trade. This trade, we took an S play. I called this trade at 77.55. After this red candle, I said 77.55, get in. Boom, this thing went up. I told everybody it was going, once it got above 70, it was going up to as high as 82, and then 87.75, which was around flat on the day. And I said they'll try to get positive. We'll have to see whether or not they get positive or not. And you'll see that the market did exactly what we thought. This trade went from 55, well over 120 ticks, and then they got right up to the target there. You'll see they try to get above there, they try to get above here, try to get above, and it just failed. Boom, hard down signals, and the market just collapsed. This was news. Whatever happened, probably more impeachment stuff or whatever, but at that point everybody was out anyway because we had been in the trade for a long time. Same thing in the ES here. We had one 1-pointer, one 2-pointer, and 2 3-pointers. 1 point or break even, because some people take a point and then they go and they get into a free trade if you have more than one lot. So really quick here, we got long here, made a point, actually made about 1.5 points, or a break even on this candle here. Remember, guys, these are big moves. These are, this is a big candle here. This threw all these charts off. So this is a bigger movement than you think. This was a 3-4 point, move right here, just in that little one. So then we got long here, 82. 50, that one made up to 3 points there. Then we were not involved in here. Method creator Sam Goldberg came on, so we did not get in here. He was talking a little bit before, came on, got off, and I said, look, guys, we'll see if we can do something. We got short here. This was around 73.50 RS trade. That one went down for up to 3 points, 2 points there, and then we got long at 72 quarter, 72.50. That one made 3 points up. That was an RS play, S play, and again, really, as you can see here, we got in here, no heat. We got in here. There was like the most perfect entry almost you could possibly get. We got in here, just didn't follow through. But again, this was early in the morning, and we knew we were hitting the NASDAQ and the ES. Here I said you might be able to get a little bit more, but they still might have down further to go. So we got 2-3 points there. This one, again, we were looking very closely at this trade after this move. I said likely they were going to go down. My exact words were likely they were going to go down further, but I don't know how high they're going to go before they go down. I figured we could get something here, which we did, up to a couple points. And then when they came up and went down, I said they got one chance to get above 76. If they don't get above 76, we're coming down to the lows. Normally we'd be gone by now, but we just have the opportunity. So we hit that for 3, and then I said if it doesn't get above 76, my exact words, 76, then I had to get above 78. I said that's it. It's going to come down. We're going to see the lows. We closed the room here, but we had all kinds of trades later on in the afternoon. But again, you know, the room was closed. Then in crude, we hit a power play 28. I told everybody in the room, I said, we're going to get in this trade. And I said, it's got to get above 40. 40 is going to be the key to this trade. And we got 12 ticks. Went right to 40, and that was it. So up to 12 ticks on that trade, and that's not bad. $10 a tick in crude. I told everybody that if the only reason why I have a dot here on here is because I told everybody in here, if this trade triggers again, it's probably going to go this time. That trade's good, viable, no matter what time of the day. That trade is good. Now we were looking at the Nasdaq at the time. Trying to see if we can get in that. So I had my chart, you know, it was covered. So I didn't call it again right away. There was people who said they were going to take it, had their orders there when the market was down here. But not everybody probably took that. That trade worked for over 40 ticks, $400 a contract. But again, we had all these other ones as well, so it doesn't really matter. There was up to 8 trades. But just a great way to finish the week. We are going to come back again tomorrow and do it, or I'm sorry, on Monday and do it all over again. Don't forget to check out our free trial, www.futurestradingcoach.com. Subscribe to our channel for updates, and we'll see everybody back on Monday.